Morning student, in previous class we have learned how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and today we are going to start methods for maintaining capital accounts of partners. In fixed capital method, in this method the capital of the partners remain fixed by the time more amount is invested or withdrawn as per agreement. All the transactions like interest on capital, interest on drawings, the share of profit or loss, etc. are recorded in the partner's current account. The capital account of the partner will always show a credit balance, which will remain the same unless there is an addition or withdrawal of capital. The current account of the partner may show a debit or a credit balance. So, under fixed capital method, two accounts are maintained for each partner, that is capital account and current account. The partner's capital account shall always appear on the liability side in the balance sheet, whereas the current account is to be shown on the liability side if they have a credit balance, and on the asset side if they have a debit balance. In fluctuating capital method, only one account is maintained, that is partner's capital account. All the entries related to interest on capital, drawings, salary, etc. are done directly in the capital account of the partner. That is why the balance of the capital account does not remain fixed and keeps on changing. If no instructions are given, then the capital account is to be prepared under this method. Difference between fixed and fluctuating capital method of accounting. The main points of difference between the fixed and fluctuating capital method of accounting are as follows. Number of accounts. Under fixed capital account method, two accounts are prepared for each partner's capital and partner's current account, whereas in fluctuating method only capital accounts are maintained. Adjustment. In fixed capital method, all adjustments of transactions like interest on capital, salary, interest on drawing are done in the current account, whereas in other method all these transactions are done in the capital account. Fixed balance. In fixed capital account method, the balance of capital account remain unchanged unless there is an investment in capital or withdrawal from the capital. Whereas in another method, the balance of capital account fluctuates time to time. The capital accounts in fixed capital method always shows a credit balance. Fluctuating method, the capital account sometimes shows a debit balance. The distribution of profit and losses among the partner is done as per the ratio decided through deed. If there is nothing mentioned, then the profit and losses will be distributed equally among all the partners. In a partnership firm, it is important to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account to calculate the final amount of profit and loss to be distributed among the partner in their profit sharing ratio decided in deed. Thank you.